Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT50 XT single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5175. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P4AT, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard has one large dent, left front 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has one large dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory fitted alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right front door has two small dents, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has also suffered an interior fire where only the vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel has survived. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.